Hey there, so I know it's technically December now, but it's been a really crazy month. Vacation, moving, holidays, you name it. So even though it's December, we're gonna talk about my November Nadine West. I haven't opened this, I haven't looked at it. I gotta get this sent back like ASAP. I had to write the Nadine West people a whole letter, and it was great, but their customer service was really good, so at least thank goodness for that. So let's go ahead and dive on in. I did pre-open it just so we wouldn't waste time and it'd be loud and noisy. Okay, so the first object are these earrings. I'll go ahead and pull them out of the bag. They're little sea stars almost. They're pretty cute. Let's see. Very shiny. I do like these. It's very tempting because I think they'd be great for cruise wear because, you know, nautical theme, you know that. Let's go ahead and look at our next item. Oh, okay, sorry, a bunch of them came out. See, it looks like it is just a plain black top. I'll show all of the clothes in better detail later since it's kind of hard to see in this format. I will say first impressions are a little It's just a plain dark grayish long sleeve top. Not something I would probably wear typically. We'll see how much they're charging. If it's a lot, then I could easily get the same thing at Walmart for probably like $10. This is an issue I have with an Nadine West sometimes, is that they send you clothes that aren't really, they're more casual wear, and when I fill out the little quiz, I'm not looking for casual wear. I'm looking for nicer stuff, especially because I can get something like that pretty much anywhere. Anyway, for our next item, it looks like it is a very tangled necklace. Give me a hot minute. Okay. So it is a necklace. I'll go ahead and try this on really quick. I don't hate it. I'm just not sure it's something that's quite my style. I might have to try this on with some of the clothes they sent me. It might look better, obviously, on a more minimalistic look. This is a very loud, almost cluttered top I'm wearing right now, but it's December and I couldn't hold back any longer. I had to get this top out. I'll think about this. I'll let you know. I'll try it on with the clothes they've sent me. Let's go ahead, and this next item is a bracelet. Pull it out of the bag. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and then there's a bunch of different colored jewels on each of the little pieces. The colors are kind of all over the place. I don't really have anything that would go with that in my closet. It's not quite my style either. So far, it's not my most favorite Nadine West bag, I'm not gonna lie. It's just meh. Let's see. Our next item looks like they are a pair of pants. Oh, these are kind of fun. So they look like they're high-waisted. Maybe I'm supposed to tuck that shirt into them. That might make more sense now. They look high-waisted, kind of stretchy, jegging, jean legging type material. This could go one of two ways. They could be really flattering and cute, or make me look real chunky. So I'll try everything on as long as it's decent and it's not, you know, gonna get me flagged on YouTube, then I will show it. Otherwise, I will describe what it looks like and the issues I have or don't have with it. Oh, here's also the little printout with the mailing slip to return it. It gives you all of the prices on everything, and yeah. So anyway, our last item is this kind of corally peach dress. And again, I'll have to lay this out in detail, or to show you better detail. Yeah, I'll try this all on. We'll see if it gets included or not. Stay tuned. Okay, so I paired the top with the pants, and I did tuck in the top. So while the top doesn't really do it for me on its own, I do see maybe why they paired it with the pants. Not really interested in keeping the top. This is like something I would wear underneath something to make it look less exposed, especially since a lot of the clothing items I do receive from Nadine West are pretty sheer. I actually have tops like this that I wear for work, that I wear underneath for layers to help keep me warm, but on its own, I wouldn't just really wear it as an everyday piece. These pants, I love these pants. These pants are great in every way, and I was concerned that like right here, it would make me almost look like pregnant or something, or like just make me look really unflattering. But I love how they look. They're also really, really comfy. Try to give you a better look. I don't think that did anything, but alas. So honestly, I'm probably gonna end up keeping these pants because they feel like almost like fleece-lined leggings. And they're really cozy and they're really cute. So I'm excited about these. Okay, let's talk about this dress, because the only reason why this dress looks anything close to good on me is because of this belt, which was not included with the dress. It's something I happen to have already in my wardrobe. Otherwise, this dress would have just been one amorphous blob of coral with the belt in some, artful tucking and gathering. It actually looks really cute. Also, it has pockets, so who doesn't like pockets? The other issue I have with this dress though is how sheer it is. Again, this is probably my #1 biggest complaint with Nadine West. Everything they send is so sheer that you have to wear something underneath it to make sure you're not, getting arrested for public indecency. So you can't really tell because of the lighting, but I do have a cami underneath, and yeah, let's see how much this dress is. So they're only charging $15 for this dress, which is the good news. I'll have to think about it, but like I said, I'm not a big fan that I have to wear something underneath it, especially because I'd be wearing this in the spring or summer in Texas, and it gets very hot here in Texas. And last thing I want to do is, I wear dresses to stay cool. Last thing I want to do is I have to wear something underneath it to, make sure I don't, like I said, get arrested for public indecency, that I'll just sweat through and it'll just make it look even worse. So this will probably end up being a no for me, but I think we can all appreciate a good dress with pockets. And you can tell it hits right at my knees. So overall, out of everything, I think I'm gonna keep the pants for sure. But as far as everything else, the necklace isn't quite my style. The earrings are cute, but they're not cute enough for me to consider adding to my collection. And the bracelet is also just not quite my style. It's not my thing. That gray top they sent me, too boring for my personal taste. And this dress, we talked about it. It's too sheer, but it looks very cute with a belt. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.